Hello. So we are back Tuesday morning, and let's start again with our problem, with our test. Okay? So we have that tablet, you remember from yesterday, which if we plug the charger, yeah, check there, the current goes up 600, 700, 800, and it's dropping to like 0.9. No, 0.09, like 90 milliamps. So the problem with this one is no charge. That's clear. It's no charge inside, no power or no nothing. Yeah, you can press the power, nothing will happen. That's the reason why this tablet is here. It's a job. Now I read all the comments. Yeah, I'm impressed. I'm properly impressed. How many people they try to figure it out. What can be the problem? But it's a little bit more here. Just let's logical think about this tablet. Yeah, this must happen like 1 second. When you get this job, you should figure it out in 1 second. So first of all, yeah, the tablet it is taking power. Yeah, on some point you will see that like 800 milliamps, like 0.8 amps. Yeah, what does mean? Does mean my charging port is fine, is carrying the power, but that's all. Yeah, is carrying the 5 volts inside of the tablet, plus minus 5 volts. Okay, not many from the chat said about the data pins. I think I will leave this on one side. So it's carrying the power, the 5 volts. The current is going up. Okay, and after that it's going down, and you get stuck on 90 milliamps. What does mean? So logical thinking, the charging IC is raising the current, and on some point it's dropping the current. Most likely it's a protection. Yeah, protection against something, like a shorted motherboard. Yeah, shorted battery. Yes. Very low battery. Yes. But what do we know? We know it's not a short there. We have like 2.5 volts, you remember, we checked. So we don't have a short there. High resistance battery? No, really. High resistance battery, it will still charge fine. So why? Why? This is like a normal behavior. Yeah? Just checking the voltage and checking the charging current is kind of normal. The battery is very low, we know that. It's 2.5 volts. Yeah? So that's normal for the charging IC to drop the power like 90 milliamps. So you have 3 phases on a lithium battery charging. Yeah? So you have pre-charge with a very low current. Yeah? After that you have the normal charge, and on the end you have again with low current charge, nearly to 4.2. Now many of the comments, they said it's a faulty battery. I don't think I ever found a faulty battery, yeah, which is not getting charged. Yeah, faulty battery like high resistance, yeah, good, but it's still getting charged. Or low capacity is still getting charged. Let's say this battery, which is like 4 amps, 4 amps battery, doesn't have 4 amps, has only 400 milliamps or 100 milliamps. It will still get charged to 4.2 volts. Yeah, you know what I mean. So it's not that's the problem. Shorted battery, very rare. I found like 2 or 3 on the time, like shorted. But we don't have a shorted battery here. Actually 2.5 volts on the lithium probably is the lowest possible, which also is risky. Like it will damage the battery. And on the end of the day we have a very low battery We know the charging port is fine, we know the charging IC is fine, it's charging, but it's loading the current because obviously the battery is low. But for some reason, that 90 milliamps is not enough to raise the battery voltage. Well, let me explain. The battery, it's a chemical device, so it's a lot of chemistry there, and you have inside chemical reaction, and even if you are not using the battery, the reaction is still going. So let's say if I'll leave this tablet like 5-6 months, 1 year, the battery will get discharged and can get on this point like now, like 2.5 volts, and actually 90 milliamps is not enough to bring the battery up to like 3.6, 3.5, 3.6. It's not even, you don't even need that kind of voltage. Yeah. On a normal case, let's say I have this tablet, I just open the tablet, check the battery voltage. Actually, it's not charging, check the battery voltage, 2.5 volts. I will not even touch the tablet, I will not even get a conclusion. No. The first things what I will do, I will charge the battery. Yeah, that's the first things what. Not charge the battery, just bring the battery on the discharge area. You know, that's what I will do first, and after that, we can get some conclusion. Yeah, I see many comments. But faulty battery, not most, probably half of the comments faulty battery. Any faulty battery, it will get charged, and even high resistance battery has stages. Like the first, the tablet will not hold the charge too long, and after that the tablet will start shutting down, like on 5%, 10%, and so on. On some point you'll have to, even with 100%, you'll still have to leave it plugged to be on, and after that it will start looping. But it's a long way. It's a long way, and even a high resistance battery, it will still get charged. Yeah. So let's start. Let's put some power on the battery. Just a bit. Yeah, just a bit. Minus. Plus. Is taking. Good. That's all. I don't want to put more power because I wanted the tablet to be charged by the charging cable. Yeah. Let's check the voltage now. Not this one. This one. Minus, plus, and we have 2.6. What do you think? The tablet will start charging with 2.6 volts? Let's see. I'm sure it does. Check the current there. It's not. Okay. Same thing. Okay. Also sure. Because 2.5 is like the lowest possible value on lithium battery. Let's see now. Just for our curiosity, you know, to see when it start getting charged. 2.8 volts. 2.8. .8 is not getting charged, really? Okay, let's leave this there. Let's come with the power supply. Minus, plus, and the charging just start. And now we have 800 milliamps. And we have the charging sign and it's charging fine. Let's check the battery voltage now. Yeah, the charging current is 0.5 because the battery is still low, I think. Let's check. We have 3.1. So actually, the problem is not the battery. Just because the battery was too long left on one side without being charged. That's the reason why 90 milliamps was not enough to charge the battery. 0.5. Okay, let's put more power. Maybe we can raise the charging current. Zero point 0.9. 900 milliamps, nearly 1 amp. So you see, soon as the battery is reaching a higher voltage, it will start charge with more current. .3. 0.6. Okay, that's too low. Let's .8. Let's drop it to 0.5. Let me get another charging cable. The one from yesterday, which I test the tablet, just get broken. Let me grab another charging cable. But you understand, 0.9. So actually the problem was just a very low battery, that's all. That's all. And probably now we have the charging sign. Yeah, we have the charging sign. Let's try with a new charging cable. But this is even worse, 0.7. You see brand new cables but cannot carry too much power. So actually my brand new cable, it's even worse. So I'll use my old one. .9. So you see, even the cables are funny. 0.9 amps. So we have a working tablet. Actually, it's no problem with the tablet, with the battery, with the charging, I see. But you can have this kind of behavior because of a low battery or because of the data pins. Yeah, I didn't see too many people saying about the data pins. So let me try find my old cable from yesterday. 1 second. Yeah, this one get broken yesterday. You know, the metal thing just jump out. Okay, let's see if it's still charging. My cable is dead. No, my cable is gone. I can't test this one, but we'll make a test to see exactly what the tablet will do in the case the data pins are damaged. Yeah, just let me find a micro USB cable. Charging fine, 0.9, which is perfectly fine, yeah? Let me find a cable. Give me 1 second, yeah? Yeah, I found one. This is some second-hand cable. Let's see how it's going. It's 0.2. This is so bad. This is that kind of cable from Poundland. £1 cable. So it's 0.4. I can't even test this one. This should be on the bin, you know. Can't use something like that. Okay, give me 1 second. Let me get another cable. Okay, find another one. Let's see this one. Let's see this one. Look. Why are these cables here? This should be on the bin. So this is not charging at all. Can't believe. Okay. Let's see this one. So I have a very bad luck, or my meter frozen. Yeah. Let me take out the power. Plug back the power. Yeah, was frozen. 0.1, 0.2. This is crazy. Look, a charging cable which is able to carry only 0.2 amps. What about my old one? My old one is still working, or is something wrong with the tablet? No, it's working fine, 0.9. Actually, all these cables are gone. Okay. Let's check with this one. Finally we have a cable. A working cable, 0.7 amps is fine. Still okay, so let's try. Let's do our test, okay? I'll just try to cut the plastic. Let's see what happens if we have a damaged data line. Okay. Should be yellow or green, and green. Okay, we have green and white, I think, on this one. So let's cut down the green one, yeah, which is a data line. Let's see if it's still charging. It's still charging. 0.9 right now, yeah, 0.9, yeah. Let's cut down the green one. Okay, and let's plug now the charger. It's still charging. Okay, that's weird. Let's cut the white one down. The white one is another data line. You have D plus, D minus, yeah? And it's still charging. Without data lines? This is sick. Now I'm feeling stupid, you know? Why still charging without data lines? Why? And all what we have left is the red wire and the shield, which is ground. That's all what we have left. Yeah? Plus and minus. This is not supposed to happen. I think the tablet is weird. Let me get a phone, yeah? Let me get a phone. Okay. 0.4. 0.4 is not enough. 0.5. Let's check with the other cable, with the good one. Yeah, let's check with the other one. This one, the good one. .7 amps. You can see there? 1.7 amps. Yeah? That's what is supposed to happen with a good charging cable. Good charging cable, 1.7 amps. Okay? With a cable which has data lines, you know, or pins from the charging port. Maybe on the charging port you have data. The pins are faulty, I don't know, bent, are not soldered. So with data missing, yeah, you see here we cut down the data lines. Actually it's not charging, it's charging like 0.4. That's why these data lines are very important, because they will set up the charging current. Actually many of you think plus and minus should be enough, but it's not. Okay, but this tablet is weird. Can't believe I tried to prove a point And actually the tablet is charging only with 2 wires. Yeah, that's what will happen. What is happening when you do a video. But on any other tablet, when you have a damaged data pin, it will not charge. Okay, so I think I'll finish this video, so you understand. Many times you believe the battery is faulty, but it's not. It's just a very low battery which is not able to, you know, reach a higher voltage where the charging IC will start the charging process. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you later. Yeah, bye.